Hi fourth graders, it's Ms. Schaefer again. I'm going to show you now how to send an email. So you might need to send an email to me if you have questions, or maybe one of your teachers from specials. So always make sure, again, you're using Google Chrome. And you start out at the FCPS website, and you're going to go to G Suite. It's in that blue bar at the top of the screen. Once you're here, this takes you to your drive where all your work is. On the top of the screen on the right side, there's 9 little dots. Click there and look for this red and white envelope that says Gmail. This opens up your Gmail. Now, if you want to send an email to somebody, on the left side, you'll see a big white button with a plus sign that says compose. That means to write something. So you're going to compose an email. Click that. And it starts by asking who you're going to send it to. You can type in the person's name. So for me, if you want to type me an email, maybe just type in Schaefer, S-C-H, and it pops up and you'll see my whole name, Allison Schaefer, and it has my email there. The next line is subject. That's where you're telling me what this email is about. So when I see your email, I know what you're going to be asking me. So if you need help with the homework, you can say homework help. Or if you have a question for me, you can just write question. So maybe you need help with your homework. I'm going to write homework help. And then this big white box here is where you type your message, like a letter. So you would start by saying, "Hi, Mrs. Schaefer." Press enter on your keyboard to go to the next line. "I need help with today's," and look, it actually gives you suggestions. And if that's what you want to say, today's homework, then you click the button that says tab on the left side of your keyboard. "I need help with today's homework. I am stuck on number 5. Can you please help me?" And then you'll press enter and sign your name. From John, if your name is John. And then when you're all done, you'll click this blue button that says send. So that's one way to send an email. And if you're only sending me an email, a really easy way to send an email, so I'll send that to myself, send. And then for me, because I sent it to myself, it pops up right here. Another really easy way to send me an email, if you are on our class website, tinyurl.com/Schaefer4. You'll have to log in with your Google account. When you're on our class website and you scroll to the bottom on any page, you'll see that red and white envelope that stands for Gmail. You can click on that and it'll automatically send an email to me. Pull up my email address and have it ready to go. So that's another way to send me an email, just by clicking on that, and it'll get an email ready to send to me. Okay, I hope this video was helpful. You can leave a comment in Google Classroom to let me know if you have questions, or send me an email, or we can talk in class. Okay, see you later.